So I'll do an unboxing video of this Chanel that was gifted to me by my husband. I'm so excited! Labi, ayaw kong tanggalin yung ribbon eh. Pwede bang i-try ko lang i-sideways yung ribbon? Sit, love.
Mababalik mo yun.
Hindi ako sure. Ayaw ko sirain yung ribbon.
Ba't pag binara mo, hindi mo na mababalik?
Hindi ako marunong eh. I'll try to do it this way. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng packaging ng Chanel. And yung ribbon niya yung parang may gold, silver and white. Naka-dip into silver. So, lapit na. Yay! Ako, masisira pala yung paper, Lavi. Ayoko masira yung paper.
Okay.
Ay! Nasira yung paper. Bango! I'm sorry, nasira ko na talaga yung paper. Yay! Ah! So this is the bag. And it comes, comes with the booklet. This is how the bag was made, and the care booklet, and the card, authenticity card. And this one is the, I think this is the care booklet, and the cleaning cloth. So you put your hands to clean the bag. So this is the bag. Masisira ko na naman ba yung paper? Ayoko masira yung paper. Nakabalot siya. May tape again. I hope maalala kung paano siya binalot para same way ko siya babalutin ulit. So this is the bag. I can't believe, Lovey. Thank you so much. Ang ganda, ang ganda. So this is the classic Chanel flap, $255 by Chanel. This is actually the 27 series, which is the latest series made. And it is made in France. Yay! So perfect lahat ng gusto ko, nakita ko dito. Kasi caviar leather, gold hardware, made in France. Medium size. So perfect siya. And yun. Inside. Ta-da! Oops. At tinanggal na pala nila yung parang cover nung gold. So that's it! I'm so happy! Thank you, Lovey. Thank you for loving me. Bye! I'll do a little mud shots. Ay, mali. Ganyan pala. Ganyan. So this is the one that's yung chain is wala sa harap, and the other side is this. You can do that chain in front like that. And double chain. Double chain is like this. And maybe it's a little short crossbody, but if you put at the back, it's also nice. Yes. This crossbody.